What's going on, y'all? Let me put you on some game here on a product that I came across. If you're a truck driver, owner-operator specifically, because obviously if you're a company, you don't care. If you're an owner-operator and you're tired of having to take your truck into dealer for every check engine light or having to call service for force regen even, you're definitely going to want to buy this thing. Me personally, I have an older truck. It's a 99 Detroit 12.7. So there's not a lot of sensors. But even when there are sensors and the check engine light comes on, you're like, what the hell is going on? So I've had another scanner before this one called Launch, and it did fine. Kind of gives you a general idea of what's going on, but this thing is an absolute beast. I guess let's just show you what we're working with. So this is a scanner from ANCEL. And I mean, as you can see, there's all types of adapters. This is the adapter I use. It says come in 6, but it's a 6-pin connector that works for mine. And then obviously you got your OBD, your Volvo, your MAN, which we're not going to use that. You got your Cat, Mercedes, etc., etc. And then over here you got your scanner, which is extremely nice. Comes with this case. And you got a camera here, you got a camera on the back. It's basically like a tablet. And it's really, really nice quality. Here, I'll turn it on so you can kind of see the screen quality and whatnot on it. Just turn, gotta hold it. And then while we're waiting, you got more connectors here. And the beauty of this is, if you ever used OBD2 scanners, you kind of plug it in and you got to hold the scanner close to the OBD2 port. With this, you do not. What you do is you grab this guy here. I'm not going to take it out. You get the point. You grab this, you plug in this cable, grab an adapter, and then you would find your OBD2 port, plug it in, and then remotely you can hold your scanner be outside the truck. And the beauty of this is, like, let's say for me, I do roadside service as well. I don't got to be in there next to the driver going through my scanner figuring things out. I can plug this guy in and go sit in my car and figure out what's going on with it without, you know, having there and having to be with the driver in the truck or whatever the case may be. I think that's just awesome that it has that Bluetooth mode on there, and there's a lot of features on it. Like you can print, you can like screen record, and you can print off this, you can create a report. It's just an awesome thing. I believe right now it's listed for like $670. You can use my code, or maybe they have a better code on their website that you can use to purchase. But regardless, even for $700, I think this thing is an absolute beast based on how much stuff it can do. Now, as far as like longevity and customer service and things like that, and how it does with the regens, I don't know. Time will tell, and I will update you guys. But I mean, for $700, this is absolutely amazing. Because I mean, if you were to take your truck to a dealer, like let's say, for example, me, I was on the verge of taking mine for a dealer because I have a check engine light that keeps flashing, and I was worrying like, hey, is it gonna turn into something serious? Minimum the dealership will charge you is $500. So if you really think about it, by the time they add taxes and fees, it's going to be close to $700, best case scenario. So one time you go to a dealership and you already paid for this thing. So, and then not to mention, like, you have a product that you're good for on the road, whatever the case, especially newer trucks with the force regens. So like I said, I'm going to put the website and the code on the screen. I don't make any commissions or anything. I don't think so on their program. I might. If I do, that's awesome. I haven't even looked into it, honestly. I'm completely new to this. If I do, great. If you find a better code on their website, like a new customer or something, even better. Just like I would too. Try to get the best deal you can. But like I said, look into it. I've looked into other scanners and whatnot, and they just do not touch what this can do for the amount of money it costs. Like the Harbor Freight one that they sell, the Zurich or whatever it's called, it's like almost $500 with tax, and it's such a basic scanner compared to this. So yeah, I mean, hopefully you like the video. It's a little bit lengthy, but figured I'd make it and show you kind of a little bit about this thing, and hopefully we'll talk about it more down the road once I actually get to use it more later.